It's Danny Watkins, American Eagle Harley-Davidson. This week I get the pre-owned bike of the week. And folks, we got a dandy. This is a 2020 Road Glide Special FLTR XS. And this one comes in the Billiard Blue with the iconic red, white, and blue #1. It's got low mileage, 5,700 miles. Got the really cool stretch bags, easy opening. Got your tab performance, zombie exhaust, sounds amazing. It's powered by the Milwaukee 8 114. This is a really good looking bike, clean, low mileage. Come see Danny Watkins at American Eagle and let me show you how easy it is to get on this. We can test drive and make it easy. Thank you.